안녕하세요. Hi everyone, I'm Jake. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to compare the adverbs 잘 and 못. We covered how to use the negative adverb 못 in our previous video, and today we'll look at its opposite, 잘. While 못 means you cannot do something, 잘 means you do something well, skillfully, or often. Sounds pretty simple, doesn't it? Now let's dive into the details. First, let's look at a quick comparison table. Use 잘 before a verb with a space if you do something well. Use 못 before a verb, also with a space, if you cannot do it or are bad at it due to external reasons. Let's look at three common examples. 언어를 하다, to speak languages. I'm good at English. 저는 영어를 잘해요. Because my English skills good. I'm bad at Dutch. 저는 네덜란드어를 못해요. Because my Dutch skills poor. 먹다, to eat. I eat spicy food well. 저는 매운 음식을 잘 먹어요. Because I have no problem eating it. I can't eat spicy food. 저는 매운 음식을 못 먹어요. Because my stomach can't handle it. 수영하다, to swim. I'm good at swimming. 저는 수영을 잘해요. Because my swimming skills good. I'm bad at swimming. 저는 수영을 못해요. Because my swimming skills poor. We covered how to structure 못 before, and 잘 follows the exact same placement rules. You simply use 잘 instead of 못. For example, 자다 becomes 잘 자다. Now you just conjugate the verb based on the tense and the politeness level. Let's try one more verb. 먹다 becomes 잘 먹다. Just like 못, you can't put 잘 directly before a verb if it ends in 하다. Instead, you split the word and put 잘 right before the 하다 part. For example, 요리하다 becomes 요리를 잘하다. Let's try one more. 일하다 becomes 일을 잘하다. Now let's practice making full sentences with some common verbs. 자다, to sleep. I sleep well at night. 저는 밤에 잘 자요. I slept well last night. 저는 간밤에 잘 잤어요. I'll sleep well tonight. 저는 오늘 밤에 잘 잘 거예요. 타다, to ride. I'm good at skiing. 저는 스키를 잘 타요. My friend was good at skating when he was 7. 제 친구는 7살 때 스케이트를 잘 탔어요. My younger brother will be good at riding a bike if he practices harder. 더 열심히 연습하면 제 남동생은 자전거를 잘 탈 거예요. 먹다, to eat. I eat spicy food well. 저는 매운 음식을 잘 먹어요. My older brother ate meat well when he was little. 제 형은 어렸을 때 고기를 잘 먹었어요. My daughter will eat kimchi well if she keeps trying. 계속 노력하면 제 딸은 김치를 잘 먹을 거예요. 읽다, to read. I'm good at reading books. 저는 책을 잘 읽어요. My son was good at reading the Korean alphabet when he was 3. 제 아들은 3살 때 한글을 잘 읽었어요. My granny will read small letters well if she wears glasses. 안경을 쓰면 제 할머니는 작은 글자를 잘 읽을 거예요. 요리하다. To cook. I'm good at cooking. 저는 요리를 잘해요. My granny was good at cooking. 제 할머니는 요리를 잘했어요. My dad will be good at cooking if he practices harder. 더 열심히 연습하면 제 아버지는 요리를 잘할 거예요. 운전하다. To drive. I'm good at driving. 저는 운전을 잘해요. My mom was good at driving a truck. 제 어머니는 트럭 운전을 잘했어요. My younger sister will be good at driving if she keeps practicing. 계속 연습하면 제 여동생은 운전을 잘할 거예요. Here's one last important rule to pay attention to. Unlike 못, 잘 can be used with adjectives, but it usually means frequently, easily, or acts as an intensifier. For example, 제 친구는 잘 아파요 means my friend gets sick easily. Or 고기가 잘 익었어요 means the meat is well done. All right, now let's practice even more with some real life dialogues. Are you good at drinking? 술을 잘 마셔요? Not really. I can't drink. 아니요, 못 마셔요. Why not? 왜 못 마셔요? My liver can't process the alcohol. 제 간은 알코올 분해를 못해요. Did you study well at school? 학교에서 공부를 잘했어요? No, I was pretty bad at studying. 아니요, 공부를 제법 못했어요. Why? 왜요? I couldn't focus during the classes. 수업에 집중을 못했어요. You'll become good at speaking Korean if you keep practicing. 계속 연습하면 한국어를 잘할 거예요. But I won't be able to spend enough time practicing. 하지만 연습하는데 충분한 시간을 못 쓸 거예요. Why? 왜요? I'm bad at managing time between work and study. 일과 공부 사이에 시간 관리를 못해요. Today, we've covered how to use the adverb 잘 in comparison to 못. I hope this video helps you use them naturally, depending on the situation. As a quick reminder, in this video, 잘 and 못 are independent adverbs, which means they are separate words placed before verbs. However, there are also single word verbs, 잘하다 and 못하다, which are written without spaces. Don't worry though, those single words are pretty simple, and we'll cover them completely in my next video. Sound good? Alright, I think we can wrap it up here for today. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.